Good evening and welcome to the National Debate. I'm Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan. We bring you this very special broadcast from Vijay Chowk here in the national capital. As Arvind Kejriwal hopes to come back for the third time as Chief Minister of Delhi, the big question that is on the minds of many is whether he will be able to actually convert this into a victory. There are multiple challenges before him at this point of time. Of course, the fact that he has several of his party leaders who have left over the past few weeks. He has also had to step down as Chief Minister. But at the same time, he is going to the people talking about what he calls the misuse of agencies by the centre, which has led to this entire impasse in the first place. At the same time, he is a senior leader of the India bloc, and at this point of time fighting separately from the Congress party. What does that really mean as far as the India bloc and the opposition unity is concerned? Very, very serious questions that arise out of all of that, and that's why the national capital appears to be a very, very important election as far as the national issues and the national political picture is concerned. Over the next 1 hour, we'll be debating what's at stake and why the Delhi election is so important for all of us, nationally speaking. Let's take this across to our guest now. Joining us is R.P. Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Abhishek Sudhir, political analyst. Advocate Anmol Pawar is a spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. With us also is Romesh Sabharwal, leader of the Congress Party. Joining us is Haji Rangre, spokesperson of the AIMIM Delhi. And also with us is Parvinder Singh Sethi, political analyst. Let me start first and foremost with the Aam Aadmi Party. Anmol Pawar, a lot of challenges before the Aam Aadmi Party at this point of time. You've been, of course, going to the people saying that this is misuse of agencies. Will that really work? Because at this point of time, the big question is the fact that AAP and Congress have decided to fight separately. That has hurt the Congress in the past in Haryana and other states. Will it really work this time around in Delhi?
Madhavji, we are very confident of winning another term in Delhi because of the kind of work Arvind Kejriwal ji has done for the people. In the past 10 years, we have seen the kind of work as far as infrastructure is concerned. 6,800 kilometers of new roads, 10,000 kilometers of new pipelines, 7,500 kilometers of sewer pipelines, upgradation of schools and hospitals to world class, 25,000 new classrooms. The minimum wages in Delhi is 21,000, which is Delhi is the only state to do so. And in past 10 years, we built around 68 new flyovers. And yesterday, he announced a revolutionary scheme, Mahila Samman Yojana, wherein the women, the mothers and sisters, they'll get 2,100 per month when we come to power for the fourth time.
But
so
one of your development schemes has been objected to by both the BJP and the Congress, and that is the liquor policy. So I want to ask R.P. Singh. R.P. Singh, they say that we have done good governance. That is what is going to keep us ahead. It's won us elections in the past. It will continue to win us elections. Will this election be a referendum on the liquor policy on which the BJP has made a huge issue over the past several years?
Well, it's not us who made the issue. It's the Congress party also which made the issue out of it. They went to the police station, filed a FIR also on this issue. And एक के साथ एक बोतल फ्री तो सबको याद है. But issue is that they can make tall promises. People are saying वादा तेरा वादा, वादे तेरे पे मारा गया ये बंदा सीधा साधा. Fact is, he spoke about 68 flyovers. I give a challenge. Let him show 6 flyovers. Forget 68. Please. Tell your team to come with us. Let them show 6 flyovers which they have made during their term.
I accept your challenge.
Sir, आपको टोका नहीं मैंने.
I accept your challenge.
Yeah, okay. Name the flyovers.
Sir, we can visit personally.
No,
we can
tell us name of 6 flyovers.
In Northeast Delhi,
6
4
flyovers.
flyovers have been built.
6 flyovers.
In South Delhi, 6
flyovers.
3 flyovers have been built.
Sir,
And the place where you reside, 4 flyovers have been built in that area. And I can very confidently say, sir, now you are interrupting.
Okay, he's asking you, can you name the 6 flyovers? Out of 6, don't name 60, name 6.
See,
One by one. You asked a question, let him respond.
Madhavji, the fact is that the people of Delhi, since 2013, have been witnessing this development work. That is why they have always been voting for Arvind Kejriwal. They have been giving decisive mandate to Aam Aadmi Party.
Let us agree with you, sir. But
in 2013, in 2015 and in 2020, I am accepting his challenge. I am asking him to come with me physically. Why do he need the name? I'll show him physically. चलिए आप हमारे साथ. I'll show you 25,000 new classrooms. I'll show you 600 new mohalla clinics. I'll show you the flyovers. I'll show you the kind of work which we have done in Delhi.
Okay.
चलिए आप हमारे साथ,
Okay.
आप दिखाइए
Okay.
और आप भी दिखाइए।
Okay, okay.
आप भी हमें
एक एक
क्लासरूम
करके।
दिखाइए, वो 27,000 जो आपके उत्तर प्रदेश
Okay,
में
one by one. Yes,
आप भी वो क्लासरूम
respond to him.
दिखाइए।
He's saying why
जो
6 I will
गुजरात
take you
में
to all
बन
the
किए गए।
62. He's saying I will take you physically to see all of those 62
Sir, he
flowers.
can't name even 6 out of
सर
68.
चलिए ना आप, अभी चलिए।
Okay, let him speak now. Let him speak. Yeah. RP Singh.
I give another challenge. Let Mr. Kejriwal go to one of the hutmen in this constituency where we are standing, any one hutman, and drink water from which he's giving on the tap for 1 week. I'll pay for his bill in a private hospital because सरकारी अस्पताल में इलाज नहीं हो सकता उसका। मैं पे करूंगा, चैलेंज दे रहा हूं। आज हर झुग्गी वाला, एवरी झुग्गी क्लस्टर गाय buys a bottle of water for 30 rupees a bottle. 30 rupees, and they buy 2 bottles. I can show you videos after videos. They say we buy water worth 1,500 to 1,800 rupees. 1,800 रुपए तक का पानी लेते हैं। बिजली की बात करते हैं, मेरा फिर चैलेंज स्वीकार करें। इन्हीं के इलाके में, केजरीवाल के इलाके के अंदर, मैं लेकर चलता हूँ हटमन के अंदर, जहां पर हटमन वाले कहेंगे, झुग्गी वाले कहेंगे कि हम बिजली का बिल देते हैं 2,500 3,000। एक मिनट। स्कूल की बात करते हैं, जस्टिस मनमोहन जो चीफ जस्टिस है समय, उनका अप्रैल का ऑब्जर्वेशन पढ़ लो। वो कहते हैं कि जर्जर हालत में है दिल्ली के स्कूल। 1 लाख बच्चा 9वीं और 11वीं में हर साल ड्रॉप आउट हो रहा है। एवरी ईयर 9th and 11th स्टैंडर्ड, लास्ट 3 years 1 lakh children is drop.
Okay. I want to bring